Let's talk about our standard project structure layout. When we start a new project, there are generally file structures and key files like checklists or tracking sheets that need to be created. With PDM Professional, we can leverage our powerful automation workflow to automatically do this for us. It's as easy as right-clicking, entering some project information, and you're done. PDM will create the entire folder structure for us automatically, and we can also have it organize our projects any way we'd like. In this case, maybe by year and by project number. Bringing files into our vault is also a breeze. It's a simple copy and paste. All of our files are in, and then we can simply push them to the server to make sure we secure them. During this process, we can see quick previews of the files that we're checking in, see all of the file references, and we can even enter a comment that can be reviewed at any time for traceability. Once my files are in my vault, we can see that PDM already added some property values based on that project information that we entered for our project. So this is already saving me time by eliminating the manual entry of that data. PDM is doing that automatically. This is just a taste of the power of PDM Professional and the workflow capabilities. If you want to see more or have any questions, make sure you reach out to your Javelin account manager.